Hi, this is Andreas Sachuk. Welcome to the online training on Adobe Experience Cloud. In this video episode, you will get to know how to access Adobe Experience Cloud and how to navigate across Experience Cloud solutions and core services. To enter Adobe Experience Cloud, open a browser and enter marketing.adobe.com. You may also be provided with a custom URL, which looks like your company name.marketing.adobe.com. When you land on the page, click on the blue button, and then on the next page, enter your email address and password to sign in. This is the feed core service, and you will land on this page by default. This is a great place where you can share important information like news or events with your colleagues. Just click on the new post button to add something to this page. Then click on the icon with 9 dots and a mega menu will appear, and this is a place where you can choose the solution you want to go to. You see that the solutions are grouped into different subclouds: advertising, marketing, and analytics. Those icons that are grayed out are not available for you. This means that you either do not have access to those solutions or your company wasn't provisioned for those solutions. On the right side, under the platform, you can see a number of different links, and they are referring to core services. A few words about them. If you click on Activation, you will be able to choose either Adobe Dynamic Tag Management or Adobe Launch. Both are tag management solutions, and Adobe Launch is the new version. Then you also can find their Triggers core service. Under Administration, you will be able to manage access of your users to different solutions, including the core services. Assets, this is a place where you can store different type of images, video files, and some other type of files. Exchange, this is a place where you can find integrations with third-party platforms. The feed, this is where we landed. Mobile services, this is a place where you can analyze your mobile application's performance. You can find their SDK for Android and iOS. You can create deep links and many other things. Finally, people, this is a core service that allows you to enrich the data in Experience Cloud by uploading offline data, and this also enables data sharing. For example, if you have a segment in Adobe Analytics, that segment can become available in Adobe Target and Audience Manager in Adobe Campaign. The next icon I wanted to talk about is the icon with the question mark, and this is the place where you can find different type of supporting information. If you want to get release notes, just click on the What's New. If you want to go to the home page of the Help section, click on the Help Home. Customer Care will help you to find phone numbers, email addresses if you want to reach out to customer care. Community is a link to Adobe Forums, and there are many forums basically for each of the solution and a number of core services. Adobe Experience Cloud Status, this is a place where you can check whether all the solutions are working as expected, or probably there are some maintenance work or issues. And finally, Developer Connection. This is if you are going to use APIs of Adobe Experience Cloud solutions, and there are different documentations and guidelines, so click on that if you are going to use with APIs. And finally, if you click on the bell icon, you will see different notifications from Adobe Experience Cloud solutions. This is it for this video episode. The next one will be dedicated to Adobe Analytics.